around $66,000, Toyota is offering something very few SUVs can match: 326 horsepower, 465 pound-feet of torque, a factory-built overlanding package, and legendary reliability. But here's the real question. Should you spend your money on the new 2026 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter, or is the Ford Bronco and Jeep Wrangler still the smarter choice? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice is that Toyota didn't try to make the Trailhunter flashy. Instead, it looks purpose-built. Up front, the heritage-inspired Toyota grille immediately gives this SUV a classic off-road personality. It's clean, bold, and much more aggressive than the standard 4Runner. The redesigned LED headlights are sharper, while the integrated LED daytime running lights give it a modern signature without losing that rugged Toyota character. Move to the side, and this is where the Trailhunter really separates itself. Toyota gives it wider fender flares, heavy-duty rock rails, functional recovery points, and one of the most practical factory roof racks you'll find on any mid-size SUV. Whether you're carrying camping gear, recovery equipment, or a rooftop tent, everything already looks ready for adventure straight from the dealership. The factory 18-inch wheels wrapped in serious all-terrain tires don't just improve the look, they're built to handle dirt, sand, snow, and rocky terrain without needing aftermarket upgrades. Around the back, Toyota keeps things simple but functional. Vertical LED taillights, a durable rear bumper, integrated recovery points, and a clean tailgate design give the Trailhunter exactly what American buyers want: tough without looking overstyled. And if you choose Heritage Blue, it's easily one of the best colors in the lineup. It stands out without being loud and perfectly matches the Trailhunter's adventurous personality. Now let's talk about what's actually making all this possible. Under the hood sits Toyota's new iForce Max hybrid powertrain, combining a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine with an electric motor to produce 326 horsepower and an impressive 465 pound-feet of torque. That's significantly more torque than the previous generation V6 and exactly what you need when climbing steep trails or pulling heavy loads. Power goes through a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission before reaching Toyota's advanced full-time 4-wheel drive system. The Trailhunter also comes equipped with Old Man Emu suspension, a locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, crawl control, heavy-duty skid plates, and improved ground clearance. These aren't optional accessories, they're factory-installed equipment designed for serious off-road driving. And that's exactly why this SUV feels different. Instead of buying a regular SUV and spending thousands modifying it later, Toyota has already built the Trailhunter the way most off-road enthusiasts would have built it themselves. That's what makes it one of the most complete adventure SUVs currently on the American market. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice that Toyota didn't design the Trailhunter to feel flashy. Right in front of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster, while the center of the dashboard is dominated by Toyota's large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is fast, easy to use, and finally feels modern enough to compete with today's best mid-size SUVs. The seats are finished in durable SofTex upholstery, designed to handle mud, dust, water, and everyday family use far better than traditional leather. Heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, multiple USB-C charging ports, wireless phone charging, and a premium JBL sound system make long road trips much more enjoyable. Passenger space has also improved compared to the previous generation. Both front and rear passengers get more comfort, while the large cargo area easily handles camping equipment, luggage, recovery gear, or groceries without feeling cramped. Fold the rear seats down, and there's even more room for outdoor adventures. Safety is another area where Toyota continues to impress. Every 2026 4Runner Trailhunter comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, including pre-collision warning, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, lane tracing assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and several other driver assistance technologies that make highway driving much less stressful. When it comes to fuel economy, the new hybrid system is another major advantage. You get noticeably better efficiency than the old V6 while also enjoying significantly more torque and stronger overall performance. So let's talk money. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter is expected to start around $66,000 to $68,000, depending on options and destination charges. Yes, that's more expensive than lower 4Runner trims, but remember what you're getting. Most buyers would spend thousands adding suspension, skid plates, roof racks, recovery equipment, and off-road accessories after purchase. Toyota includes much of that from the factory. Of course, it isn't without competition. The Ford Bronco offers removable doors and roof panels, while the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon remains one of the most capable rock crawlers ever built. But if your priorities are long-term reliability, factory engineering, everyday comfort, and serious overlanding capability in one package, the Trailhunter makes an incredibly strong case. At the end of the day, the 2026 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter isn't trying to be the fastest SUV or the most luxurious SUV. It's built for people who actually leave the pavement behind and want an SUV they can trust for years. If you're looking for one factory-built adventure SUV that balances capability, technology, comfort, and Toyota reliability better than almost anything else in its class, the new 4Runner Trailhunter deserves to be at the very top of your shopping list. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Apex Motors, and turn on notifications because we've got more of America's hottest 2026 and 2027 SUVs, trucks, and luxury vehicles coming your way.